Hey guys, if you want to learn how to make my easy and delicious cheesecake brownies, stay tuned. Alright, so first things first, we're going to start off with a boxed brownie mix, and this one is from Pillsbury. I've tried other brands, but this one is by far my favorite, specifically the fudge kind. That is my favorite, and that's what we're going to be using today. I used to like the cakey type brownies, but I guess my taste buds have changed over the years because now I prefer the fudgy kind. So tell me what you guys like. Do you prefer a cakey brownie or a fudgy brownie? Let me know in the comments below. So once you're done mixing up your batter, it should look like this, not too thick and not too thin. Now we're going to move on to our cheesecake mixture. So we're going to start off with 1 block of cream cheese. We're going to add in about a teaspoon of vanilla extract along with a 1/2 cup of sugar. So we're going to mix those two things together until it's nice and smooth. It's going to give you a little bit of trouble at first, but you want to make sure that your cream cheese is softened as well. You don't want to use hard cream cheese for this. So now that I tasted my filling to make sure that it is to my liking, I went ahead and added my 1 egg and mixed that in until it is this consistency here. Nice and creamy. So now we're going to go ahead and put our batter into our pan, and I just simply put some parchment paper down so it's just easy cleanup for me, and it's easier to take the brownies out that way. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my cheesecake filling on the top, and I'm going to do 6 dollops on the top, just like that. And on top of those cheesecake dollops, I'm going to add in some Hershey caramel syrup. So now that we have that done, we're going to go ahead and do a cute little marbling design on the top. You can do whatever you want. And then we're going to go ahead and pop this into a 350-degree oven for approximately 45 minutes. So this is how it should look once it comes out of the oven. You want it to cool completely for a few hours actually. You don't want to cut into this while it's warm because first of all, warm cheesecake is gross. So you want to make sure that this is cooled all the way completely, you guys. And then you're going to go ahead and cut them into squares or whatever shape you desire. So I have my black tray here, and I'm just going to dust it with a little bit of powdered sugar for presentation purposes, because I'm a little bit extra. And I'm going to go ahead and put my brownies on. And that's it, you guys. How easy was that? This looks absolutely delicious, and it tastes even better than it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you give it a try, I hope you love it just as much as my family and I did. And look at me being, I'm just too much. I couldn't leave well enough alone, and I just had to add more caramel on there. And look how fudgy these are. My favorite. All right, you guys, I thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.